Hi, welcome to TAFTC and welcome to TAFTC e-learning. You'll notice that all of your course notes have now gone digital and you can find them online now. Here in this video, I'll show you how to get started. First, you'll want to get into your login. You'll want to get your login details. To find that, you can look into your email. Look to the email that you use to sign up for your module or your program. So in your email, you'll find this message, which will give you a random password, and it will give you a link to change your password on eCourse Notes. So you'll want to go ahead and click that, and be sure to change that within 24 hours. Otherwise, the link will expire. So once you click this link, you will be prompted to change your password on your eCourse Notes. Once you've done that, you can go check out your eCourse Notes on the following link. That's taftc.org/ebook. taftc.org/ebook. So you'll get to this page. And from here, you can use your new login details to log in. If you want this computer to remember your login details, you can always just click Remember Me, and you will be remembered when you enter taftc.org/ebook again. Once you open that, you'll see all the eCourse notes that you'll need for your classes. In TAFTC, we recommend that you use Google Chrome with our eCourse Notes app. This just makes it easier to navigate, and it works well with our eCourse Notes program. Google Chrome is a web browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox. So to download Google Chrome, you can do that for free if you search for it online. I'm currently using Google Chrome right now, but you should be able to download it by just searching up Google Chrome. Maybe go to googlechrome.com/Chrome and you can download it here. You can also access your eCourse Notes on your phone or your tablet. If you're on an Apple product, you can just go to the App Store and search TAFTC eBook. Just go ahead and download. The download is free, so you don't have to pay to have this on your phone or your tablet. If you're an Android user, you can also find this on Google Play Store. Once you have the app downloaded, you can actually download ebooks onto your app so that you can view them even if you don't have internet service. We'll show you how to do that later.